Imagine finding a coin, spending it, and later finding out that same exact coin sold online for $336,000, just like this penny did. Now, it's a few small details that you'll need to pay attention to so you don't overlook a coin like this when you're going through some old coins. What's really important to know is that if you find a coin like this, you're going to need to get it graded and authenticated by a third-party company like PCGS or NGC. This one was authenticated and graded by PCGS at an AU50. AU stands for almost uncirculated, so this coin is in pretty good condition. However, the highest achievable grade in grading is 70, and if this coin was to be in better condition, it would have sold for a whole lot more money than $336,000. So why did it sell for this much money? Well, first of all, we need to make sure that you are keeping the coin safe and not damaging it, because every little nick and scratch on the coin that you cause will decrease the value in this situation. Now, if you look on the left-hand side of the coin, you'll see Liberty, where the B is pretty much missing. This is okay and natural, and is likely caused by grease on the hub during the minting process, and is not a rare variety or anything like that. Now, if you have a 1943 cent coin and it looks like this, there's a high probability that you either have a fake coin or you have a coin that is toned. And by that, I mean the coin has a different color to it. So pretty much this coin was accidentally struck on a bronze planchet during the minting process. What you need to know is that during the war efforts, they needed bronze for ammunition, so they transitioned into a zinc-coated steel planchet, which is likely what you have. But in the off chance you come across a coin like this, you're going to need to contact a coin expert immediately and get their opinion, if not multiple opinions from different experts. This way you know you are getting correct information and you're not getting scammed or ripped off. If you thought this video was helpful, share it with a friend, and I'll see you in the next video.